So for anyone looking to rent a property right now in prime London, I totally understand the challenges you're going through. So I'm currently helping a previous client right now rent a property from one part of central London to another. I helped her relocate here from America probably around about a couple of years ago, and it's amazing what she could afford back then to what she can afford right now. Rental prices in prime London have gone absolutely crazy, and I see no stop to it. The situation has become so bad that the government had to step in with a reform bill. Now, this has been planned for a few years now, and I believe it starts to take place in 2023 in May. Now, in my experience, the government does more harm than good. It'll be interesting to find out what happens with that reform bill. But right now, let's talk about the rental market in 2022 and where we're at right now. So we've had a complete reverse of fortunes in prime London for the rental market. Of course, the pandemic hit quite hard. Tenants disappeared. Some people went to the countryside. The rental market here in London depends a lot of overseas people. People went overseas, and of course, this meant that there was a lot of stock available and rental prices went down. Right now, where we are now, there is no stock, so complete reverse, and prices have gone to the skies. And activity in the prime London rental market in 2022 was severely depressed. And this is despite the demand that there is, and there was in 2022. Why? Because there was a lack of instructions, which meant a lack of stock and a lack of activity. This lack of homes, of course, has led to a fall of the number of new lets on the market. As the chart shows, there's a number of possible reasons for the decline in activity, some suggesting a short-term effect and others more of a long-term. These include temporary rebound from a pandemic, landlords selling up, and also the shift of longer-term tenancies. I always love to share my experience in the prime London property market, but let me know what you're seeing out there. You're looking to buy, rent, let a property? Leave a comment below. So my opinion on this trend of long-term tenancies is that this is just a natural effect of high prices in prime London. Because before the pandemic, tenants would love just getting 12-month tenancies and just experiencing different neighbourhoods. Right now, tenants want security, they want certainty, so that's why they're securing this long-term contract. But other than that, I'm sure we're going to go back to 12 months. The lack of stock and strong demand from tenants have helped increase rental prices in prime London to record highs. 2021 marked a recovery in prime London rents following their falls during the pandemic, and 2022 continued that trend. The annual growth rate declined slightly from 19% at the end of 2021 to 14% at the end of 2022. And there were other signs as to how tight the rental market was in prime London in 2022. With the average discounts to rent probably around about nearly zero, with some months offering a premium, with tenants offering more than asking price. And if you're in the market to rent a property or a landlord letting a property, make sure you check out the reform bill. And naturally, the time on market also went down, seeing low record levels. Now, looking forward to 2023 and the market, we can see that tenant affordability is most likely what's going to put a ceiling on those rental prices. In other parts of the market, in prime London, not so much so. However, it could be the recession and job losses in the city that's really going to put a ceiling on those prices continuing to go up. Now, as ever, if there's anything that myself or my team can help you with prime property, reach out to us. And in terms of videos, please make sure you check out our videos in terms of how to secure property in London. And if you're an investor, make sure you see the best performing video.